What's your website or your Facebook?
I don't get that out.
Nah, I really didn't then.
It doesn't matter, I'll just basically let you know.
You're just going to do it anyway?
I'm going to do it anyway, aye.
Right. But you don't want to give me your name or your Facebook page?
No, that's it.
You're just going to film whatever you like?
Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Today we're in Kilmarnock and I think the company's pronounced Mali. And basically, Mali do... phone up. It says Kilmarnock facility is located in the west coast of Scotland and became the part of the Mali Group in 2007. The Kilmarnock location supplies aluminium, tin, bimetal and sinter copper bronze bimetal coils to Mali, bearing plants globally, including China, Mexico, Brazil, North America and mainland Europe. In addition, the Mali Motor Group racing bearings section is located at the Kilmarnock facility, supplying bearings, bushings and thrust washers for high performance engines, mainly for Formula 1, NASCAR and MotoGP. Interesting. So we'll go to a wee nosy, we'll go and tell security. But we'll go and nosy up this way first. We'll video on this side. At this side, not much happening. But we'll take a video here, then we'll tell security we're putting the drone up. There's not really much to see at this side. Just where the vehicle's exiting, haven't seen nothing. I didn't really see anything. There's a pallet or something, that was it. Not much. So we'll go and see security, see what they've got to say about it. Press I. How you doing, pal? I'm going to be audit the site, outside the site. I'm going to just get a wee couple of videos there and I'm going to fly a drone here. Alright. Right, just a wee video it. So what was this used to be called before 2007?
I think it was Glazier Metal.
Glazier Metal, was that it? I was trying to ring a bell before it, I couldn't think it. So just basically a wee video it, put it on social media. Alright. Is it, the work is done now, is it finished? Is it not 20?
There's still folk here, it's 24 hours.
24 hours? Is this the quiet side, or there two sides to it? Or?
No,
that's the main gate?
That's the main side, aye.
I was trying to Google much info. Did you get a pay rise or something recently?
Oh, I don't actually work for them, mate.
Oh, you work?
Subcontractor, I don't work for them.
Said they got a pay rise by mistake or something, I don't know. It was all about Daily Record was saying it, but I couldn't be too much into it. No. Aye, so basically I'm just going to fly a wee drone here. I've been in my line of sight, I'll not go too far here. So just kind of, what's the kind of main bit the manufacturers at all?
Oh, I basically all right, mate. Aye.
Is there anything to do outside? Like, what?
I'm pretty sure you're allowed to do that. I don't think there's any rules against you doing it.
With a drone, no, that's the thing. Businesses don't like you filming private property, but they don't own their space.
Aye, so as long as you're in the public park.
Aye, so just in case if somebody sees a drone, they're a wee bit cautious what's going on. So basically, I've just got a video. I think it's just buildings, you see. Is there any kind of...
Aye, that's what it was.
Is there any kind of... anything outside at all, that kind of big machinery, kind of... Where's the lorries load up? Where do they? Is that bit there? It's empty. So basically, the manufacturer there, then come out there, and basically that's just the building there. There's no any further, is it? Is it further afield in that way?
No, that's it. That's about it, basically.
Right. Well, we're taking there for there, pal. So anyone's cautious of what's going on.
Aye.
You let them over there, right?
No problem.
Right, cheers, pal. Nice meeting you. Cheers. Well, security obviously watches the audit videos, but nice and friendly. Got to say, when doing these videos, security's been basically kind of spot on everywhere I went. So we'll get chopper up and we'll see what this place is like from above. So as the camera wasn't recording, security just asked me to wait 2 wee seconds. So obviously let somebody know in the question. So we've still got the chopper ready, because regardless what they say, it's still going up. So I think security's got somebody can do it to see us. So I've got chopper in the hand. Hello. How you doing, pal?
My name's Stevie Doyle, I'm HSC Facilities Manager.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Plant Security Officer.
Right.
What's the purpose of your...
I put it on social media. I do, but go in businesses and take wee kind of interesting places and put it on social media. Just basically fly over.
Unfortunately, your headquarters, corporate headquarters in Stuttgart are really strict about it.
Right.
I've got to get permission for them to do any filming at all in this.
That's because you work for them. I'm a member of the public. I don't need it.
I don't think we can...
It doesn't matter, is it the CA on the airspace? You don't own the
You can
airspace.
see it in Google Maps. No,
Aye, that's what I'm saying. So I can still fly over. I'm just basically courtesy letting you know I was doing it.
Alright.
So basically, there's, as much as it sounds weird, the law is...
So what is it you want to film?
Just basically film businesses for above, and just a wee film, walk around about, see how things work.
Snooping?
No snooping, it's going on social media, so it's just basically...
No, you can't put no social media that's got Mali, anything to do with Mali on it.
I don't put Mali's name up.
So you're saying legally I can't stop you?
Well, if you go and check Google, Google drones under 250 grams, and what the law is, the CAA, I check drone assist, is all clear in this area. Can I fly over Presque Airport or Glasgow Airport or any prisons? But this area is clear, it's not even yellow.
What's your website or your Facebook?
I don't get that out.
Nah, I really didn't.
It doesn't matter, I'm just basically letting you know.
You're just going to do it anyway?
I'm going to do it anyway, aye.
Right. But you don't want to give me your name or your Facebook page?
No, that's it.
You're just going to film whatever you like?
If you're off for it, then I'd give you my name, because you're kind of saying no, not to do it, that's why I don't get it.
I just said I'd rather you didn't do it.
Aye.
I need to go and check now what the law says.
Go check, just you Google it. Google the drone, 250 grams, it's important that the weight
I've
of
got
it.
one myself.
So you know the rule then? You know the rule with 250 grams, you can fly over commercial. And you can fly over folks' houses as long as you're not filling their back gardens.
I'm still dubious because you're not telling me what the purpose is.
I told you to go on my social media. I film businesses.
What's the purpose of your social media page?
Because I get subscribers and I get viewers. People like to watch this stuff. You never heard of the guys doing audits with the drones? No.
We do them ourselves.
Well, if you're the drone, you must have come across it on YouTube.
We use it to check the roofs and stacks and all that.
Well, it's quite popular on YouTube. So, if you go and Google it, go and Google audits on social media, and you'll see them all come up.
You're not prepared to give me your name or your Facebook page?
No, because you're against me doing it. If you were for me doing it, then I'd give it. Some people ask me to show me around about and all that stuff. Some people like yourself are saying that we can't do it.
I'm only glad about your corporate.
Aye, you're just passing on.
I've got to tell you about your corporate rules.
There's some folk like this that we do here, and this is this, and I promote businesses as well. Some people tell when they've got jobs going, they'll say apply here for our jobs.
You're random, you just turned up.
That's what it is, it's random audits.
You're auditing, is he telling us you're auditing?
It's an audit.
Don't fly your thing up. You don't want an audit, don't fly your stuff out.
As I say, I'm going to decline that. I'm going to fly it. As you can see, I'm not happy with chopper in front of us now, so we'll just take a wee quick fly over and just see what we can see. So, it's been off a sign there is something seriously interfering with the signal. So that's obviously in our warehouse there. So we'll take a wee fly over. We'll go halfway in this one again as well, because I don't trust this signal. Weak signal, adjust antenna. Never get this problem. It's just right in front of me. So as you can see, it's just all roofs. I'm not going to get to see much. We'll go and fly this middle bit. Current Wi-Fi environment. It's different signals coming up. I've never seen any of this stuff before in my life. I don't know what they're up to. Current Wi-Fi environment experience high. So I'll not keep chopper up too long, because I don't want to lose him. He is my wee pet. So it's just blue containers over there. No roof. I'm not going to see much at all. So we'll fly back and we'll check that bit where the goods come out, so he's a bit closer to me. Still in my line of sight though, right in front of me. Always safety first, guys. So some sort of machine there with the stuff comes out. That's the exit gates. Can't be the exit gates for the lorries. I think security's been bluffing me. And pallets there. But I don't know what's going on with the signal. See, it keeps saying Wi-Fi interference. If any of you know this with a drone, do they get some sort of jammer or some sort of illegal bit of equipment? It's illegal to be blocking drones unless you're in certain places. So I'm going to get Chopper back down. There isn't much to see. I don't know what the guy was worried about. I think his name was Stevie, I can't remember. How you doing, pal? I don't know what his problem is because you basically can't see none of his buildings. You know what I mean? I only flew up to hang me halfway. There's something interfering with the signal anyway, so I couldn't fly any further. As if there's some sort of jammer with the, they said Wi-Fi interference. I've never seen that phone in any business I've ever done. So they want to fly too far in case it just end up, well, it flies back to home anyway, but
Alright, mate.
But if there's interference with it, I don't really trust it. I've never came across that, so. But I don't know what his problem is. He basically wasn't too keen. I know you're stuck in the middle anyway. But just basically tell him I flew halfway up and I flew back. There's nothing to see. It's just roofs. You know what I mean? It was basically a boring video. You know what I mean? I thought I maybe get to see some sort of machinery that did something, or even just seen parts. Kind of like just something, because they do things for Formula 1 and that, don't they? NASCAR and MotoGP. I know you can't maybe say something, but that's what it says on Google. You know what I mean? That's what it says on their website. So anyway, just tell them basically. No, I just stopped. I just basically, there's too much interference. Alright, pal, catch you later. Nice meeting you. Cheers. So the security guy was a kind of tricky situation, couldn't say too much. But totally sympathise with security. I know some auditors give security a hard time, but if security is brand new with me, I'll always be brand new with them. I don't really know what his issue is in no film in the building, because to be honest with you, there was absolutely nothing to see. I actually took 3 attempts to fly Chopper. I had to keep stopping recording because it kept getting interference, Wi-Fi interference. I've never had that with my drone ever. So if any of you drone flyers watching can explain why it was doing it. I did come up authorised day with Rugby Park, which is about a mile from here, so I don't understand why it was doing that, but it could be due with interference. But I'll be doing my homework and I'll be checking up on it just in case there is some sort of jammer, but maybe just too much interference with Wi-Fi signals in their plant. Well, thanks for watching again, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.